So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the properties section of our user interface in App Inventor 2. So the properties section is this section right here. It's the section furthest to the right in our user interface. Essentially, the properties section allows us to modify the properties of whatever component we currently have selected in our component section. You'll notice right now we currently have the Screen 1 component selected. We know that because we have a green background on our screen component currently. So a few of the properties for the screen component are things like screen orientation and whatever kind of open screen animation that we want. But if I were to, let's say, drag a button into our components viewer, you'll note that our properties for that component completely change. So we might be able to change the button width now or the button height, but these properties wouldn't make any sense for, let's say, the screen component. So I just want you to note that the properties are specific to whatever component we have currently selected. So I'm just going to flip between these two components to show you that our properties section changes. So if I were to drag, other components over into my viewer and I were to select those, they would also have properties specific to whatever kind of component they are. So just keep that in mind when you're developing your application. If that properties window keeps changing on you, it's because you're selecting a different kind of component every time. So in essence, our properties section allows us to change the functionality or the look and the feel of whatever component we currently have selected in our components section. I'll see you in the next video.